Hey, how's it going, my Cheeto flower pellets? It's me, Lily the flower. Yeah, I'm a flower. Well, I'm actually a pastel rainbow alpaca, but I'm gonna film a short video. Yay! I'm in blue tree leaves instead, and so yeah. Did he just come up this ladder like floating or sitting? That's creepy. So, yeah, what shall I say? Yeah. I don't know what to do, so the only thing I wanted to say was please comment down below some things for video ideas. Some video ideas for Animal Jam, like 4Jam challenge or whatever challenge. Maybe the Do You Trust Me challenge. No. So, yeah, video ideas. If you have any idea, comment down below. And bye.